Solving triangles with two solutions can be really hard. So try to understand these 3 points, and if you can understand these, then that'll help you get through the whole problem. The first thing is that it's only with side-side angle triangles. With those types of triangles, 0, 1, or 2 possible triangles can exist with the given information. So for this case, we're given angle A is 30 degrees, side C is 16, because that's lowercase c, so that's across from angle C, and then side A across from capital A, angle A, is 14. The triangle could look like this, but it could also look like this, where the dotted line is the old triangle that I drew, and what I did was slide side BC over, but I didn't change the angle that was given or the two side lengths that were given. So this triangle could be a possible solution with the given information. Notice it's different from the first triangle in that angle C was acute, now it's obtuse, and angle B and side B are also different. So that is only possible with side-side angle triangles, or looking at it backwards, angle side-side. So it's not that hard to remember that this is the case we don't want to be dealing with. So the first thing was side-side angle triangles, or reading it backwards, angle side-side. 0, 1, or 2 possible triangles can exist with the given information. Second, if the first angle that you find is greater than the given angle, there are 2 possible solutions that can exist. Because sometimes there's only one solution, but if that is true, then there are definitely 2 solutions. Or if you don't want to memorize that, you can just always draw the second triangle, and then if it doesn't make sense, so like if you have a smaller angle across from a bigger side or a bigger angle across from the smaller side, then that case doesn't work and you can assume that there's only one possible solution. And finally, to find the new angle that you found first, subtract it from 180. The reason we want to subtract the angle from 180 is because if you think of the unit circle, if we're trying to find any angle between 0 and 360 where y is 1/2, it would be 30 degrees and 150 degrees. But if you do it in the calculator, if you do inverse sine of 1/2, it'll only give you 30 degrees. So we have to find the 150 degrees on our own. And that can be by doing 180 minus what the calculator gave us, which was 30 degrees. And if you can remember that step in solving, then everything else is going to be solved normally like any other problem. So now that we've gone through those 3 points, watch a problem where I go through the whole thing, and then you'll kind of see where all these things fit in.